Hello fellow crafters, this is Segura's Craft here at Kat Scrappiness, here to introduce to you guys a brand new 3D box craft die. I'm gonna ask for you guys to bear with me. I am a little bit sick right now, so my voice is a little bit cracky, but let's get started and show you how this works. This die set comes with 3 pieces of dies. This is the main foundation, and then the 2 to give it the extra flap difference. So I'll use purple and pink. Let's go ahead and die cut these out. So when you cut them out, they look like this. And now we're just gonna assemble. Now, you'll see that there's a crease here, here, and here, okay? And then you have these 2 flaps, right? What you're gonna wanna do is you're going to apply glue the lowest corners and you're gonna use, see how that you're gonna make sure that flap is up and that corner is pointed, and then you're just gonna line it up with that middle crease there. There we go. And then we're gonna do the other side. We're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Just nice and long. If you are not going to place anything in the center, you can glue that center piece down. And you're just going to just bend here. At that crease line. And that'll give you a nice little pop-up box look. If you would like to bend the other side, you can. Here are some examples of cards that were created by the creative crew to give you some ideas. Please like and subscribe to our channel for updates on new products and ideas on ways you can use it. We will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.